Hello the internet, and welcome to another fast school holiday program with the CNRL Library Innovation Studio and Library Children's Services. Today we're at Kootingal Station and Kootingal Library to show you how to build a monorail system. For this workshop you will need plastic bottles, plastic cups or paper cups. You'll need some straws, again doesn't matter if they're plastic or paper. You'll need some sticky tape, you'll need some string and a pair of scissors. Now optionally, you may also find useful balloons and elastic bands, paper and textures. So here we are back at the library. I'll show you how to make a simple monorail first. Let's get our bottle, get rid of the lid, don't need that, and just cut it in half. There you go. Then get your straw, don't need the whole thing, just trim that down a bit and tape it onto the top. You can decorate it. I'm going to get some textures and just draw a simple little pattern. And you can tape that onto the outside too. Just make sure you don't crush the straw. A little bit of tape to hold it on, and a little bit of tape just hold my ends together. And there we go. All you do then is feed the string through here, and it'll slide down your monorail nicely. And at the back, you've got room for passengers to go, or for gifts for someone who's sitting at the other end. Easy. Now, I'm going to show you something a little more tricky, how you can change this into a self-propelled monorail car. I'm going to show you how to do this with a cup. I'm going to cut a bit of my cup out so I can more easily get passengers in. And then, as before, I'm going to tape a bit of straw to the top. So that's where my string is going to go for this to move along. But, for this time, I'm going to get a balloon, give it a bit of a stretch first, and stick the other part of my straw in the balloon. Get an elastic band, and just wrap it around the balloon once or twice to make sure it's holding onto the straw nice and snug. You still want to be able to blow it up, you don't want to crush the straw inside, but you want to hold it in place. And then I put that around my cup. Just like that. So now what's going to happen is I inflate the balloon by blowing through this straw. Okay, so with the string through the top straw, when I let go of this, all the air in the balloon is going to come rushing out through the straw and push the monorail train along just like this. Pretty cool, huh? Let's give it a go. Okay, let's see if we can get both of them going at once. And that's it. We hope you enjoy setting up a crazy monorail system at your place as much as we've enjoyed setting it up at the library. Keep watching the video to find out what you'll need at the next workshop. See you next time! In our next workshop, you'll be making these amazing ninja stars. All you'll need is paddle pop sticks and a soft surface.